Well, hello everyone, this is just Brodie, and he's just doing a little pull apart on this card reader just here. He's already pulled apart part of it, so what we'll do now is I'll hand over to Brodie and he will explain what's inside this card reader.
Yeah. So this is a battery here. There's golden pins right here. There's a chip there. There's a, computer chip. Chip. And then there's some there. There's some copper wire right there. There's some copper wire in here. And then we are just gonna undo this screw here, and the screw here, and we'll see you in a minute.
Tiny screws, aren't they?
Yeah, really hard to get. Sorry about that noise.
What is that noise, mate?
I think it's the wash machine.
Alright.
There's that.
Okay.
Now,
And what have we got underneath?
Some of this. Oh. See if it's. Yep, it's just some plastic. I can just pull this off like that, and then I can just go like this and like that.
Okay, can you show us the back of the other board?
This.
Yes. Is there much happening on that?
No.
Just put it in front of the camera a bit. That's it. Okay. Righto.
I really like that kind of pattern.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Righto. Now, we've got another board there. So, okay,
Right here.
what we'll do, you grab your screwdriver,
Yeah.
and I'll pause the video, and we'll see what's underneath this one.
Yep.
Okay, we're back again,
Yeah.
and Brodie has undone the next two boards inside our reader. If you'd just like to take them out, Brodie, the screws are out, so here we go with the first little one. We'll have a look at that. And that's got an LED screen. That's for displaying the numbers, I suppose. Is there any gold fingers on that? What's that there where your hands are underneath there? Is that gold there? Does that look gold to you? Or is that just a film over it?
Just film.
It's just a gold film. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll put
And
that over.
then under there, there's some like black kind of button things, but they don't push.
No. Okay, that's the next board. So we'll look inside here.
Whoa, this is a tough one.
There we go. Oh, right. Okay, so we've just got a standard board, and that's where you press the numbers in, and it sends it across, doesn't it?
And here's that sheet.
Oh, yes, the rubber sheet that goes with it. Yep.
This way.
Normally on a keyboard you have a mylar sheet in here, don't you?
Yeah.
On a computer keyboard, which you can get silver recovery from.
Yep.
But we don't have one here.
Yeah.
So let's have a look at our boards just to summarise, Brodie.
Yep.
Have a look. How many boards did we end up getting? Can you show us all?
Okay. There's one. There's a two.
Oh, just to get a close up at that one there. Yep. That one. Yep. Okay, next one. That little one there. That's really low grade, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what about that big one over there?
Three.
That's a nice looking board. I actually like the look of that board.
Yep. Really like the pattern.
Yeah. And we have one more, and that was where you swipe the card. We didn't have a close up of that. I'll just get a close up there. So there we go.
Flip it over.
Yep, flip it over.
And then there's these lights.
Oh, the LED lights. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. All right. Well, that's quite interesting. We've got
There's some
four
more
little boards.
chips.
4 little boards out of our reader, and it was a little bit of fun for us, wasn't it?
Yep.
Alright, so I think that's just about it, do you think?
Thanks for watching and subscribe.